start with quartiles for group series now. Right? Quartiles for group series. Yesterday we have seen quartiles for ungroup series. Now it is quartiles for group series. Now again quartile is denoted by QR. Quartile is again denoted by QR, which is equal to R in a bracket. The only change is instead of small n we have to use capital N plus 1 divided by 4 divided by 4. This is the formula to calculate quartiles for which series? Group series. Okay. Now as per this formula, again R means number of quartile. Either it is first quartile, second quartile or third quartile. Okay. And this capital N means now total of frequencies. Capital N is always total of frequencies. Okay. Take an example. From the following data, calculate first, second and third quartile. First, second and third quartile. Make two columns, values and frequencies. Values and frequencies. Value column 2, frequency 3, 4, frequency 5, 6, 10, 8, 12, 10, 6, and last one is 12, 4. Suppose this much information is given to you, and by using this information you have to calculate first, second and third quartile. Now tell me, this is grouped, ungrouped or continuous series? Group series. Why it is called as group series? Because there are two columns without class interval. Whenever there are two columns without class interval, this problem is known as group series. And whenever there is a group series, your first column is always X column. This much you have to keep in mind. Okay. Now to calculate first, second and third quartile, like median, again to calculate all the three quartiles, only one column is required, that is again known as CF column. All of you know how to calculate CF, like median. CF is nothing but cumulative frequency. So how to prepare this cumulative frequency? First frequency you have to keep as it is, and then go on adding the frequencies. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 10, 18. 18 plus 12, 30. 30 plus 6, 36. 36 plus 4, 40. Means your n value must be 40. The last value of CF column and n value must be 6. If you make the total of frequency column, you will get 40. Correct? And this is the only column required to calculate median and all the three quartiles. Okay. Now we will start with first quartile. Write heading as first quartile. Write down the formula. QR is equal to R into bracket capital N plus 1 divided by 4 value. Capital N plus 1 divided by 4 value. Now what is R value here? 1, because we are calculating first quartile, so R value is 1. Q1 is equal to 1 into bracket. What is capital N? 40. 40 plus 1 divided by 4 value. This is equal to 1 into 41 divided by 4. Check out 41 divided by 4. 10.25. 10.25 is not the answer. 10.25 is not the answer. It is 10.25 value. Procedure is same as median. Procedure is same as median. If you are perfect in median, quartiles are divisible. Okay. Now this 10.25, where you have to see? You have to see in CF. Exact 10.25 will not get. So check out 10.25 comes under which value? It comes under 18. For this 18, what is the x value or value? 6. That is your answer of quartile. Therefore, Q1 is equal to 6. 10.25 comes under 18. For 18, what is the class here? 6. Answer of first quartile is 6. Go for second quartile. Second quartile. Again, QR is equal to R into bracket capital N plus 1 divided by 4 value. Is equal to, what will be the R value now? 2. Why it is 2? Because we are calculating second quartile. So 2 into bracket 40 plus 1 divided by 4 value, which is equal to 2 into 41 divided by 4 is equal to 20.5 value. 20.5 value. Correct? Again same procedure. Check this 20.5 in CF column. You will not get exact value, right? So check 20.5 comes under 30. For this 30, what is the class? 8. That is the answer of second quartile. So Q2 is equal to. Clear? Try to calculate third quartile. I will also solve. Formula remains same. Write heading as third quartile. Write down the formula. Okay. What will be the R value to calculate third quartile? 3. Into bracket n is 40 plus 1 divided by 4 value, which is equal to 3 into 41 divided by 4, which is equal to 30.75. 30.75. Now check, 30.75 comes under which value? It comes under 36. Don't take 30, don't round up the values here. Okay, it comes under 36. Class of 36 is 10. Therefore Q3 value is Q3 value is clear. It is. It's so simple. If you know the median perfectly, steps are same. Only there is a change in the formula. What is the change? In median, it is n plus 1 divided by 2. Here it is n plus 1 divided by 4. And you have to consider R value. That's it. This is the only change between median and quartiles. That's it. Followed? Okay. Take one more problem, then we will go for continuous series. Take one more. Find lower quartile median and upper quartile. Lower quartile, median and upper quartile. Now this lower quartile, median and upper quartile is nothing but first, second and third quartile. Lower quartile is known as first quartile, median is known as second quartile, and upper quartile is known as third quartile. Make two columns, same two columns, values and frequencies. Values and frequencies. Value 40, frequency 9. 45, 22, 50, 26, 55, 18, 60, 13, 65, 8 and 75. Again check whether it is ungrouped, grouped or continuous series. Group series. Why it is group series? Because there are two columns without class interval. And whenever there is a group series, your first column is X column. Okay. Now to calculate quartiles, which column is required? CF. Prepare this CF column. 9 plus 22 is 31. 31 plus 26 is 57. 57 plus 18, 75. 75 plus 13 is 88. 88 plus 8, 96 plus 501. Means your n value must be 101. N value must be 101. And this is the only column required to calculate quartiles. Now start with first quartile. Write heading as first quartile. Formula is QR is equal to R into bracket capital N plus 1 divided by 4. What will be the R value now? 1. So Q1 is equal to 1 into bracket 101 plus 1 divided by 4 value, which is equal to 1 into 102 divided by 4 value. How much? 25.5. Check out the, I don't know answer. Correct, it is 25.5 value. Now, see this 25.5 in CF column, where it comes? 25.5 comes under 31. For this 31, what is the class here? 45. So Q1 value is 40. First quartile is 40. Go for second quartile. Second quartile. For practice, you can write the formula, no problem. But there is no hard and fast rule that every time you have to write the formula. No. Once you have written, okay. But for practice, you can write now. So Q2 is equal to 2 into bracket 101 plus 1 divided by 4 value, which is equal to 2 into 102 divided by 4, which is equal to 51st value. 51st value. Now check. 51 comes under which value? It comes under 57. For this 57, what is the value of class? Q2 is, second quartile is, right? Then we will go for third quartile. Third quartile. Third quartile means 3 into bracket 101 plus 1 divided by 4 value, which is equal to 3 into 102 divided by 4 is equal to 75. 76.25. 75. Only 5. 76.55. Check this 76.5 in CF column, it comes under 88. For this 88, what is the class here? So Q3 value is so your Q1 is 45, Q2 is 50 and Q3 is 60. This is called as upper quartile, lower quartile and median. If you calculate median and if you calculate second quartile, you will get same only. Just to verify, I will solve this. Just to verify, I will solve median also by taking median formula. Okay, second quartile we have solved. See here, median formula for group series is capital N plus 1 divided by second value. Correct? Second value. Okay, you know capital N 101 plus 1 divided by second value, which is equal to 102 divided by 2 equal to 51st. Check. 51st value is that. Again check this 51 in CF column, you will get the same answer. 51 comes under 57, so median value is also. Means if you calculate median or if you calculate second quartile, answer will be same. It depends upon the question. If they ask quartile, go for quartile formula. If they ask median, go for median formula. Answer will be same. Okay. Clear this group series? Shall we start continuous series?